Hello, welcome to the channel. We're going to show you how to do the workshop number 5. First of all, we're going to create a database pane. It's going to be named Surface Create. Click OK. Then it's going to open. Then we make sure that it's based on model, MC Nastran, structural. Then we click OK. Now we go to geometry. We will put to create surface. We do on the XYZ. We uncheck auto execute. Then on the vector coordinate list, we put 24, 10, and 0 on Y. Then we click apply. Now we go to create, then surface, then extrude. We uncheck auto execute, and on the translation vector, we change it to 0, 0, 2. And under surface curve list, we select just the top one. Then we click apply. Now we change the view to the ISO view. Now we see how it is extruded. Now we are going to change the translation vector to the -2. Then click apply again. Now we see how it makes the double extruded. Now we go to transform point. We select surface, translate. We uncheck auto execute. The direction vector is going to be 0, -10, then we are going to select surface 2, we apply it, then surface 3, then apply. And now we have the same surface up and down. The next thing we need to do is to make this and make a copy of this and put it right next to it. We stay in transform, surface, translate. We are going to change that direction vector to 0 to 24 on X, 0 on Y, and 0 on Z. Then on the surface list, we're going to select all the surface, then apply. Then we create another one like the one we already made. Now we go to create point, and we are going to put on extract, then single point, then on parametric position we put 0.25. parametric value we maintain the same. We uncheck auto execute. Surface list, we select surface 1, then apply. We see here our point. There we change it this to 0.75. We maintain the parametric volume. We maintain surface 1, then select apply. Then we have here the second point. We do the exact same thing to the surface, to the second surface. We press 0.5, then surface list. We select, in this case, what is surface 6. We hit apply. Then we change this back to 0.75. Then again on surface 6, then apply. Now we have 2 surfaces and 4 dots. Now we're going to go to create, then surface. We're going to go to sorry, we go to create curve, then to this 2D circle, then on radius we're going to put 2.5. We uncheck auto execute, then we select the points. We select in this case this point, 0.19. We hit apply, and we do the exact same thing to the next point, that is the 20. Then we hit apply. Now we are going to extend the parametric surface. We are going to go to edit, then surface, then here extend. We have here, but we are going to choose fixed length. We get edit all associated figures. On LED we put 2. We uncheck auto execute, then on surface list we select these ones. We select all those that are only on that side. Then we hit apply. Now we are going to break the surface. We go to edit, then on surface we select curve method. We're going to select break. Here we're going to put here an edit surface break. On curve we select, we uncheck auto execute. Surface list we're going to put surface 1, and break curve list we're going to select curve 1 and curve 2. Then we hit apply. This sign is going to pop up. Do you wish to let the original surfaces? We click on yes. Now we are going to break the surface with circular curves. We go to action, we select delete, object to surface, auto execute uncheck, then we select surface 12 and 14 that are the ones of the circle, then we hit apply. Now we're going to change to this view to see how we are working. Then everything is going good. Then we change back to wire to continue working on the workshop. Now we are going to add these 2 holes and this surface. We go to action, to edit, surface, then we go to add a hole. We go to center point, hole radius we're going to put 2.5 as the other ones. Auto execute uncheck. Then on surface we're going to select surface 6, and on point we're going to select this point and the other one. We select both by clicking them, then click on shift and clicking the other one. We click apply. Now we have the other 2 holes. Now we go to action, we go to transform, on surface, then translate, we did it before. On translation vector, we're going to leave it as it is, 2400. Translation parameters, repeat count, it's going to be 2. And on surface, it's going to be from 6 through 10. we're going to put auto execute, then we hit apply. Now we have all these surfaces done by that transform. Now we are going to make a breaking plane. We go to action to transform, object to point, method to translate. Then on the direction vector, we're going to change it to 4, 0, 0. Repeat count to 1. Auto execute, check. But we are going to select auto execute uncheck. But pointless, we are going to check point 26. Auto execute, then apply. Now we have another point right here. Now we go to create. We select plane. We select 3 points. Then on point 1, we select point 27, that is this one right here. On point 2, we select point 49, that is this one. And on point 3, we select point 30, that is this one right here. Then we click apply. Now we go to edit, surface, then break. We're going to choose the option here is plane. We uncheck auto execute. On surface list, we're going to get surface 2, 3, 4, 5, and 13. Select surface 2 through 5 and 13 and break plane. We're going to choose plane number 1. We put apply just for all. Now we're going to break the surface. We are going to go to delete surface and we put surface from 24, 26, 32, 30, and 28. Then we hit apply. Now we go to the smooth view and now we see this. Now we're going to make a mirror. We go to transform, object to surface, method to mirror. Chord we're going to 0.5. Auto execute, turn off. The offset parameters, it's going to be 60. On surface list, it's going to be all this. Surface is going to be all this. Then we click apply. Now it is applied. Now we go to delete the plane. Plane list, we select this plane, then apply. Now it's deleted. Now we go to file and close. When we open another one, we create a new database called create2. Then we click OK. Go to file, import, then complete surfaces. We uncheck import parsolids, then apply. And it's going to import